What if I told you that there are one apps that can help you earning $100 a day without any investment and no skills, and you just using your phones? And sound crazy, but 100% real. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Mansu, and I today videos I saw one apps without any investment and no skills. You earn $100, and this app helping 1,000 people earn real money daily. Stay till the end because I saw how to get a first $100 fast in weeks. Let's start. First app is called a Swagbucks. As it is a real platform that pay users to do a simple task like survey and watching videos and watching ads, shopping online and more. How it work? First step download this app in Play Store and App Store, and second step sign up in phone your Gmails and using a Google account. Third step once you sign your see daily offers like a survey, cashback offer, games, video ads like give you swag points, and 1,000 swag points is equal to $10. How earn it fast? Quickly earn. How? Yes, I tell. Focus on high paying survey task, and second you refer link and invite friends and share this link, get bonus points. I personally earn a $20 just the first 3 days and doing it a part-time. Like you share a secret, more pupils and ignores this bonus task. Don't make two mistake. How to withdraw? Once you reach $5 to $10, withdraw easily your money directly, transfer PayPal or gift card, Amazon gift cards, and money another options. No waiting for months, fast and safe. So if you're serious about someone's extra money from your phones, and try to Swagbucks today. If you went to a real money apps, and this, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this videos, and subscribe now, right now, and comment below. I am ready and I reply my with best tips.